Hello everyone. Today we are going to know about CS Card Direct Pay Payment Gateway. With the help of this add-on, you can allow your users of your site to pay via Direct Pay Payment Gateway. This is a leading payment gateway service in India. Make sure that while using this Direct Pay Payment Gateway, Indian currency is configured at your store. For the online demonstration regarding the product, you can go to our Webcool store and click on this demo button. And for the documentation regarding the same, please visit the user guide manual provided at the store. Let us now proceed towards the installation part of this add-on. This is my admin panel. Go to add-ons tab and click on manage add-ons. Now click on this plus button to upload and install a new add-on and click on local and browse the zip file for direct pay payment method and click on this upload and install. Once this add-on is installed in your store, you will get a note which says that please ensure INR should be configured in your store. For that, you need to check whether this INR currency is configured. Go to administration tab and click on currencies. Here you can view that INR is configured in the currencies. If it is not configured, you can easily add a new currency by clicking this plus button and adding the mandatory fields required to add a new currency. You can click on create and you can easily get an INR currency at your store. Let us now add a new payment method for this payment gateway. For that, you need to go to administration tab and click on payment methods. To add a new payment method, click on this plus button. Here you need to give the name of the payment method. Let us give a name to be direct pay payment. Next is to choose the processor. You can choose the processor from here, drop down and select the processor to be direct pay payment method. The template will be automatically fetched as per the processor chosen over here. Next is to choose the payment category. You can select any of the categories for your payment. And by filling all the mandatory fields to create a new payment method, you can go to the next tab, which is configure. For the configuration of this payment method, you need to enter the credentials which you will be getting direct pay through direct pay. The first one is to enter the direct pay merchant ID, and the next one is to add the merchant key which you will be getting via direct pay connections. The next one option provided over here is direct pay mode. Here you can select the mode for your direct pay payments. Either you can select the test mode or the live mode as per your requirements. The last option is to choose the order status. Here you can select the order status which you want to get updated once the successful payment is done via this payment method. Once the credential values are filled over here, you need to click on this create button. Here you can view the direct pay payment method has been added. Let us now view what happens at the front end. This is my front end panel. Go to the product detail page and add a product to the cart on behalf of a customer. Let us add this product to cart and continue towards the checkout page by clicking this checkout option. User need to sign in with the login details. He need to enter the billing and shipping address, and he may continue with the shipping options present over here. Now he can choose the payment billing options. Let us select the direct pay payment method for the billing options and accept the terms and conditions of the vendor. Click on this submit by order button. This will redirect you to the direct pay payment options. Here you need to enter the debit card details. You can pay either via debit cards or credit card or net banking. You can easily choose the payment option from the available options at this site. Let us choose the net banking and select a demo bank for the demonstration of the payment. Click on this proceed button. Here you can complete your transaction and generate a success transaction by clicking on this button. And if you want to generate a failed transaction, you can click on this generate a failed transaction. Let us click on this generate a success transaction. This will redirect you to the merchant site, and here you can view that the order has been placed successfully. This is all about my CS Card Direct Pay payment method. Thank you so much for watching.